How to make a messenger account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can make a messenger account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, you don't create a messenger account. What you create is a Facebook account, and your messenger account just follows up according to that. And regardless of it, you can also create a Facebook or messenger account using the messenger app itself. Open up the messenger app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. If you are logged in on Facebook already, it will try to log you in by default, but here you can select log into another account instead. Now if you don't have another account that you want to log into, you can create a new account from the bottom. As you can see, that says create new account. So now here it says join Facebook to use Messenger. As I told you earlier, Messenger is an add-on of Facebook. It's not a separate social media app, though it is an app but not a platform. So you will need a Facebook app to continue using Messenger. So here tap on get started and follow the instructions to finish signing up for your account over here, right? So right here, just make sure to enter your name and surname. Hit the next option. Make sure that you're at least over 18 years of age before using Facebook. Hit the next option, and then after you've done that, you simply want to make sure to enter your gender details and hit the next option. Then you want to make sure to use your mobile number. If you're not comfortable with your mobile number, you can also select sign up with email address. Enter the email address that you want to use, and after you have done that, you can simply go ahead and then basically hit the next option, then create a password. Once you create a password, your Facebook aka your Messenger account will get successfully created. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically make a Messenger account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.